Make a great choice today with the 2018 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, remote engine start, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio internet radio, iHeartRadio, turn-by-turn navigation, satellite communications, Nissan Connect, satellite communications, footwell lights.